November 7318, cutting started.
Good morning, November 73318, startup is approved. And copy clearance.
Ready, copy 31.
And November 73318, expect runway 31. After departure, proceed right to Grand Harbor, then the Gojo VFR departure route, 1,500 feet or below, QNH 1030, and the scope number, scope number 1446, please.
November 318 cleared, departure 31 right there in Grand Harbor, 300 feet, go to departure, VFR departure, QNH 1030, squawk 144.
Number 3183 for correct, right turn after departure to Grand Harbor, then the VFR route.
Roger, right turn to Grand Harbor and the VFR.
Number 318, start approved, deport for taxi.
Call you ready.
Gran, good morning, Mike Bravo Alpha Sierra Hotel.
Good morning, Mike Bravo Alpha Sierra Hotel, ground.
Start,
to taxi in via Hotel India, stand number 6.
Taxi via Hotel India to stand number 6, your train 7922.
Mike Bravo Alpha Sierra Hotel, ground check in, please.
requesting start for reposition, please.
Som jag får bina kanske.
Confirm your parking.
Number 210.
You got it, and where are you repositioning your aircraft?
On number 923, Mike Sierra Hotel.
Mike Sierra Hotel, start approved, and report for taxi.
Approve start and report for taxi, Mike Sierra Hotel, thank you.
Very cold.
Ja.
12 är det.
Va?
12 degrees. What chance this cold. November 318 is ready for taxi from Maypatry.
November 318, taxi out of the park via November to holding point Lima 1.
November up to Lima 1, November 318. Very cold. Yeah, I can hear you. How about now?
It's better now.
Hey.
Ground Mike Bravo Alpha Sierra Hotel, request taxi.
Mike Sierra Hotel, stand by for taxi. I am awaiting clearance from the airport authorities to park on apron 9.
I have the camera and the audio being recorded, Karen.
Thank you.
So, you know. Hey. Seat alright when you push lower on takeoff, yeah. Alright, seatbelt. Door is closed and latch. Active attack, don't worry, I'll close it.
Right.
I'll just put my arm like this, okay? I'm gonna warm up. Well, she could okay tomorrow.
Bravo Zero Hotel.
Step by step.
Oscar,
Hey, always, no.
right to holding point Kilo 1.
Make sure everything is fine. Waiting for 100 here.
This is for Mike Zero Hotel.
Mike Bravo Alpha Zero Hotel.
Compass.
Taxi out via Oscar Inner. Then to the right to holding point Kilo 1.
Oscar, right.
Make sure the compass is
Kilo
secure.
one, hold Mike Zero Hotel, thank you.
Correct. This to that, alright? Corrected to that. Okay, that's correct. We're gonna go to the north. So after departure, take off 31, Fox. Right turn, Grand Harbor, 1500 feet. Let's wait now, run up.
Grounds, good morning. About 306 information.
Okay.
9 Bay 5, full ready, requesting starting clearance, please. Yeah, 306, good morning. Startup is approved, and you are clear to destination. Vertigo 03 Delta Side E, 5,000 feet, squawk 6577. Thank you, start is approved. Go 03 Delta, climb 5,000 feet, squawk 6577, Malta 306. 306, you are correct, report for taxi. Welcome.
November 318, Lima 1, we're ready for departure to backtrack 31.
318, roger, expect taxi in 1 minute.
318, roger.
Mike, Sierra Hotel, now to your right on Kilo, and then left on taxiway Zulu.
Right on Kilo and left on Zulu, Mike Zero Hotel.
Hello again, Turkish 9 Lima November. Information Kilo request clearance.
Turkish 9 Lima November.
After departures.
Expect a lot.
No, after departures.
ID, report.
Oh, come in here.
Huh?
Alhin, come in.
Lorette 2 Delta SID will go Turkish 9 Lima November.
Okay, you're comfortable?
Mike, Sierra Hotel, now cross.
You're comfortable?
Yeah, very comfortable.
Okay.
Continue backtrack on runway 31.
Cross runway and continue backtrack with you on Mike Zero Hotel, thank you.
November 318, contact the tower 135.1 good day.
1351, good day to you. Tower, good morning, November 7318, holding short, Lima 1.
November 73318, Tower, good morning. Taxi via Zulu, cross runway 23, backtrack runway 31.
Via Zulu, cross 23, backtrack 31, November 318.
Sierra Hotel Tower, now vacate. First left on Foxtrot to continue on taxiway Tango.
Left on Foxtrot.
And 318, repeat Foxtrot is sufficient for departure.
November 318, roger, line up runway 31, intersection Foxtrot.
Intersection Foxtrot 31, November 318.
Nine Golf Alpha, ding the radar 1500.
9 Golf Alpha, roger. Confirm, may you wish to proceed to climb to 2000?
Affirm, 9 Golf Alpha.
9 Golf Alpha, roger, climb to altitude 2000 feet, QNH 1030.
Climb 2000 on 1030, 9 Golf Alpha.
Bella, here we go. 18.
What's 18?
departure time, 18 minutes after the hour. Okay, and we put here, start air. Fasten your seatbelt, refrain from smoking. Take 3000, full fuel. 10 degrees of flaps to give us more lift, okay? November 218 lining up and ready for departure.
November 318, service wind 200 degrees, less than 5 knots, runway 31 at section Foxtrot, clear to take.
Good takeoff, 31 Fox, 31.
Tower Malta 306, good morning, approaching Charlie.
Malta 306, Tower, good morning, line up and wait, runway 21, intersection Charlie.
Line up and wait, runway 21, intersection Charlie, and we are fully ready here, Malta 306.
Roger. November 318, we advise the LMD6 is active.
Roger, will pass via Madlina Fort, November 218, 50 on feet. Autopilot engaged. Stand by.
306, surface wind is 180 degrees.
Gonna go like this and it.
Knots runway 21 at section Charlie.
Turn autopilot.
Not yet. It's standby.
Ah,
On standby. Not now. For Madlina Fort. Smooth, the air is smooth.
ah,
The air is smooth. After departure, we check circuit breakers, everything in. Okay, we'll continue. Very important when you're crossing over water. Okay? I have to be serious now. Sorry.
oh well.
Madlina Fort.
Golf Alpha, entering Gozo 2000 feet, call you leaving.
Mana Golf Alpha, Roger.
Tower, good morning, 9 Hotel Uniform Lima Mike, holding on Quebec, ready for departure.
Hotel Uniform Lima Mike, Tower, good morning again. Taxi along runway 05, backtrack runway 21.
Backtrack 31, they want.
Ashley, active is shooting range, I'll update you now.
Uh-huh.
Morning, Malta 306, 2000, climbing 5000, Gozo to Delta.
I'm broke. November 318, Medina Fort, 1500 feet, requesting to direct to Norgate if possible.
November 318, Roger, stand on.
Riho. Hikra, Reconri.
November 318, contact tower frequency 135.1, goodbye.
135.1, we're on it, November 318.
Sorry about that. Contact radar 128.150.
128.150. 128.150, good day to you, November 318. Radar November 7318, good morning, with you 1500 feet, VFR on the East Coast.
November 7318, radar, good morning. Continue by the East Coast, you may proceed direct destination and confirm which level you wish to operate.
Say again, 318?
November 7318, at which final altitude you wish to operate?
Request 2,500 feet, November 318.
7318, Roger, climb altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1030.
1030, 2,500 feet, and we can proceed direct to Norgate.
Affirm, you may.
318, turning right. Oh, 25.
9 Lima, November.
Turkish 9 Lima, November, tower, good morning. Confirm ready for departure.
Negative, Turkish 9.
Direct. By heading 12 degrees to the right. Climbing to 25. We are final level. That's Comiso. Okay, we're already on tower. This is tower frequency of Comiso. We're going 25, Monday Sharvin is a doctor. Will you stay below them?
Hello.
Visibility ma tantx tajba meta jkun riħ isfel, mir-riħ fuq dejjem ikun aħjar. Because of moisture. Hopefully with the sun, burns it out. But we should be okay, I think. Because it's light and variable, that's why. Riħ iżommu għaw daqxej ta' temperature inversion. We have cold air trapped, warm air trapped underneath sinking cold air. 50 feet.
Whatever, 06, contact.
Now we're radar, okay, all the way.
Let's see, good morning, 30975, 306.
Up the speed now, you have a tailwind. Okay, I'm building speed before reduce power to cruise. Okay, level 25, 2,500 feet. Heading is 012, trimming the nose down. As soon as I have the airspeed, I go to cruise power. Right now. Propeller 2450. Okay, and this one on the green, upper green. RPM, manifold. This is the RPM. Is this, the propeller. 2450 and 23 on the manifold. 23 and 2450. And we monitor the propeller. Make sure it stays there. coming on. Autopilot engaged. Now, I take my feet up. She's flying direct. We're going to the NOR gate here. Flying up. Okay. We'll be in NOR gate in about 4 or 5 minutes.
What's NOR gate?
The transition from before we transition to terrestrial airspace. The checkpoint out here, you can only get it with GPS. Checkpoint. A route checkpoint. Mbagħad immorru Capo del Passero or straight. We're being cleared direct to destination direct. I'm estimating let's see. At 8:28. 28. Issa. Il-ħin. Take us. Distance, ground speed. 109, 55 miles. 30 minutes. Okay? 30 minutes. ħanamluħu kollera. Namlu Comiso għaw u jtina il-ħin u koll, ok? Ima India Charlie Bravo's Comiso. Enter. Okay. Distance from Comiso we are 54 miles. ETA on the hour, okay?
Yeah. That's
on the hour, not the hour.
10.
30 minutes. Okay? Start leaning a bit the engine. Give it less fuel. Okay? I connect, I have to fly with instruments because we don't have much horizon.
Huh?
I have to fly with instruments because we don't have much horizon. So I have to rely a lot on these more. Okay? Make sure the altimeter is 1030.
Radar, good morning, Turkish 9 on Lima on November. Loaded 2 Delta departure passing 2,400 declining 5,000 feet.
9 Lima November, radar good, morning radar contact, climb flight level 140.
Climb flight level 140, Turkish 9 Lima November.
Hold on to this, okay? Please.
Turkish 9 Lima November, right heading 020.
Right heading 020, Turkish 9 Lima November.
Keep this approach just in case, it's already set up here. Unless it's already set up there. Just hold on to this. Okay, and it's here. Hold on to that. Prepare for the approach. A short flight. Meta kun short iktar jkollok x'tagħmel, no? Just getting to Norgate now. November 318 checking Norgate, VFR 2500 feet.
November 7318 again.
We're just checking the Norgate at 2500 feet. Confirm we're clear direct to Comiso.
November 7318, that's safe.
318, roger.
Turkish 9 Lima November to direct Lorette.
Direct Lorette, Turkish 9 Lima November.
Okay, direct 47 miles. 26 minutes. And let's see the visibility. Now we should be saying Emil Kostet Narara. I'm not worried because of the weather that much, because it's 1030, there's no activity whatsoever. And it's calm. But still, always be on guard. Okay? We're gonna go straight in, I think.
The Italians know about you?
What do you mean?
Contacted them already?
Not yet.
Hello?
They know we're coming. So we'll talk to tower. We'll talk to tower on here.
Ah.
Okay?
Will be seeing us on the radar.
Yeah, they're seeing us 1446. This is our squawk code, our speed,
Turkish 9
1.
November, contact Malta 130.975, goodbye.
130.975, Turkish 9 Lima November, bye-bye.
Yeah, we're on the radar all the way, okay?
November 73318, report estimate for FIR boundary and Comiso.
318, roger, stand by. Destination on the hour and FR boundary in 15 minutes. Should be fine. We'll get there. Well, heading 0, 2. Slightly to the left we need to. We have a bit drifting us from the left, drifting us forward. Slow down a bit here. Line up. Line up it. Hit a bump. I can see the runway better. This is the town of Victoria. Runway straight ahead, approaching 7 miles. Okay, slowing down, make sure reach. Autopilot is off. I'm on an ILS approach. I'm shooting the ILS. The visibility is not good. I'm shooting an instrument approach.